How to enable guest mode on Google Chrome. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on the guest mode on Google Chrome. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome on your device. And once you open it up, as you can see, I have logged into my account here. So if you want to turn on the guest mode, you cannot do it from here. You're going to have to go to your Chrome profile, which is right here on top. Click on it, and then you'll find your Chrome profile right here. So what you want to do is if you want to log into another profile, you can click on Add Chrome Profile. But if you just want to continue as a guest, click on Open Guest Profile. And once you do that, now you're browsing as a guest. You will see the guest icon at the top right as well. And what happens is pages that you view on this window won't appear in the browser history, and they won't leave other traces like cookies on the computer after you close all of the open guest windows. Any files that you download, however, will be preserved. So you have to note that. And if you want to get out of the guest mode, you can directly close the window, or you can click on the guest and then click on close guest. So that's how you basically enter the guest mode on Google Chrome. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.